Hello guys, it's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Thank you for tuning in. To my subscribers, welcome back. Hey, to my new people, you're in the right place. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. I'm going to be sharing some information with you guys. I want you to be a part of the Jaguar Top Repair team. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So today's video is going to be real short. You'll notice that I've been posting a lot of videos on YouTube, right? You'll also notice that I have been disabling the ability to like or dislike the video or to comment. I only do that for one reason and one reason alone. One reason, the number one reason that I disabled the ability to like or dislike the video or to comment is simply this. I was commenting one day on the repair, doing the green shower repair, which is why most of us are watching my videos anyway. And there was a gentleman who commented and he said that he did the repair in 3 hours. Now that's great. It can be done in 3 hours. I agree, if you know what you're doing. So what this gentleman neglected to say was that he's a mechanic, right? I can't see that happening any other way. He's a mechanic, or he's very good at taking things apart. He has some mechanical ability. And what I don't want people to think, I don't want to mislead anybody into reading his comments or reading comments like that and thinking, hey, anybody can do it. Well, that's not true. I have a toll-free number that is out there for the world to see. I get calls from all over the world. I get calls from China. I get calls from Brazil. I get calls from Spain. And it's people who found instructions on the green shower repair who get stuck, right? They're going through, they're looking at the videos, they're looking at the printouts, they're looking at wherever they're getting these instructions from, and they get stuck. And what do? They already know they can't call the dealership, right? They can't call the dealership. The dealership's not going to tell them how to fix where they're at in the repair, so they call me. Lucky me, right? So I only say this, I disable the comments because I think sometimes the comments that people leave are irresponsible. You know, do I think a seasoned mechanic can do this repair in 3 hours? Yeah, I do. But most of us that own this vehicle are not seasoned mechanics, and it sends the wrong message if you don't include your credentials in your ability to do this repair in 3 hours. So in an effort to save you guys from jacking up your cars, because again, on the back end of this whole thing, when people get stuck, they call me. I can't tell you how many hundreds of calls that I've gotten over the years from someone who got stuck reading the instructions or watching videos on this repair. It's just irresponsible, and I don't want anyone who's viewing my channel, my videos, to think that they can do this repair in 3 hours. I don't think so, right? So anyway, if you're in the market to have someone do the green shower repair for you, who knows what the heck they're doing, and they're not gonna jack your car up, I'm your guy. You can pick up the phone and call me directly at 888-317-9340. Again, 888-317-9340. I also have a 5-year warranty on all of my parts and my labor. 5 years. That's 10. This is 5. Okay, so also 5-year warranty. And if you're in the market and you're looking and you're just not sure about using me, I will give you 3 references of people whose cars I've worked on typically in the last 30 days. If that doesn't make you my client, I don't know what will. But I'm your guy, I promise. Pick up the phone, give me a call, 888-317-9340. I'll be waiting for your calls. Good luck, and I'll be talking to you guys soon.